I start off by cutting open my brand new hot glue gun straight from China and plug it in and realize the cord is way too short. Go ahead and put a glue stick in there. Now I'm gonna put the Arduino on the cardboard and measure it out. That part there is gonna be the bottom of it. I measure the height of each microcontroller and mark out increments. Those increments are going to be on the vertical back of the shelf. I'm going to be folding it upright, cutting out the piece. So I fold it, and then I realize I want the printed side on the inside, because the cardboard looks better to me. I'm marking those lines again so I know where to glue later, peeling off some tape that was left from the original packaging. I'm going to be cutting out some parts to glue onto the side of the shelf to hold them in place horizontally and to just give it some support. Gluing those side pieces on. Again, printed side on the inside, so that way you don't see it. Putting some tape on there to hopefully hold it in place while it dries. Gluing on the other side. Kind of wipe the glue with my hands to try to get it smoother. Now you see the Raspberry Pi fits in there. I am now making lines on the side walls so I know where to put glue. It's the same lines as the backing. Measuring out the shelf pieces. I'm using a 3-4-5 triangle to make sure that the cardboard is square. Again, just measuring out by visually inspecting. I eventually realized that I can use a knife to cut the cardboard, and it's a way cleaner cut than scissors. I'm making 2 identical copies of that shelf piece. I just put some glue along the lines that I made earlier, and I slide it in. And then I'm gonna do the same thing with another one. The friction fit is pretty good. I might not have had to glue them if I just wanted it to delicately hold it. But yeah, I've glued in the second shelf and they all fit. Now, what am I making? Oh yes, now I'm making pieces to hopefully hold the thing level because the bottom of it's not level and the whole shelf will wibble wobble, so I'm making 4 little legs, and hopefully these legs can be glued on approximately level. I put the first 2, and I lean it on its side to get those 2 level. And then I put 2 more on, and lean it on that side to hopefully get those ones level. Still a little off, but it's good enough. And here's a little panoramic of it. I think it turned out well.